YouTube? This is Enzo Rides coming at you with a video post carbon fiber install. Let you guys see what I'm working with, let you know my thoughts. What do you guys think? I put the GT1 spec vinyls on the wheels. Hot or not? What y'all think? Also added the AFD little wing extension. So got this for a steal because obviously, you know, AFD be hooking it up. I originally wanted black, but you know, red was in the box. I'm not gonna complain. Just gonna run it. Plus Inferno WRX already has the black one, and I'm running his old wheel setup, so I don't want that fool to be like, oh, you're jocking me, bro. I'm sure he already thinks that, so gonna run it with the red. What you guys think? All the glory. So my thoughts on the carbon fiber fenders. Honestly, I love the way they look. I'm a little iffy on the way they fit. So oh yeah, I got the GT1 spec right there. Bam. Check it out. So further adjustment, I was able to line the passenger side up good. I was having some issues with the door revving. No longer. Went in there last night and adjusted everything. As far as the bumper fitment, I was able to actually line this one up almost perfectly. So bam, you can see that side's pretty much perfect. I love this side. However, when I get to this side, it's a little iffy. As you can see, the bumper's still not quite right, but it's a lot better than what it was. So, and then the fitment on this side is pretty good too. I just have to put on some new fender flares, which I have. So, but yeah, this is the car. What do you guys think? You feeling it? You feeling it? So, as far as mods go, I am running. Oh yeah, check it out. Carbon fiber. I'll show you guys. I'm no longer in SoCal, neither. I'm in Arizona. So if the EPA is watching, just know that's where I'm at, dudes. You're not gonna catch me slipping. So here in Arizona, this is what I'm running. This is my setup. Pairing front mount intercooler. Boom. Gonna respray that. It's a little crusty. ETS intake. IAG air oil separator. NVIDIA R400 catback. Still stock J-pipe. Trying to get one. Got the parent pitch stop. BC coils. I'm also running I have a short shifter setup. Let's see if I can show you guys that. Short shifter setup. AFD's carbon fiber shift knob. I got the Billet Works short shifter setup with the shifter stop, brass bushing underneath, and the shift plate. If you guys are still running the stock shifter and you enjoy it, I mean, that's cool. But if you're like me, my first car I learned how to drive was a 1990 Fox body with the short shifter. So these gears were just kind of hard to get into for me. Swap that whole setup. Fucking love this setup. So, I mean, if you guys are thinking about it, just stop thinking and just go ahead and pull the trigger on it. Running the AFD GT1 wheels. They are 18 by 9.5, 38 offset on some, what are they? The Falcon Pro G5 Sport. So, got those for a steal. Got the STI style wing from AFD. Like I said, with their wing extension. Boom. See, that looks good, I think. But I wish it was black, honestly. It would be it would pop way more, but it is what it is. NVIDIA R400 catback. Got the rear spats, AFD, color match fender flares. What else? I also have the visors. I just got to put them back on. I have them over here. Also got to fix this right here. This doesn't want to go in, but we'll fix that. So as far as mods go, I've been tuned now for about, I have about 22,000, almost 23,000 miles on this setup. And I've been tuned for about, I think I got tuned like around 4,000. So we're talking like about 18,000 miles tuned. E35 blend. So 6.5 gallons of E, top off 91. That's what I was told by my tuner. I'm tuned with D-Man, Anthony over at D-Man Tuning. I like the tune. I haven't had no issues with it. It's not the fastest tune, you know, because I told him I wanted to retain the, I want to keep my stock transmission. I can't afford a STI transmission swap just yet. So, I mean, you know, so he gave me the sauce with it. I actually have not been retuned since I put on the front mount intercooler. He told me the way he runs his IAT temps and everything like that, everything should just kind of, it shouldn't be much of a difference, and it will just kind of, you know, calibrate itself to it. That's what he told me. So I've been running it, no issues. I get no knock. I think I'll get knock every now and again on like super hot days, like 105 AC blowing, and it's like the ghost knock, I think the negative 1.05. So other than that, I don't see any knock. Don't get no feedback knock, nothing like that. Everything's good. But you know, I don't go on long trips with this. This isn't the family car. I just go to and from work. I go to LA. I'm in, you know, well, when I used to live in the IE, you know, I'm in Arizona now, obviously. But yeah, so I haven't had no issues with this setup. It's been going strong now. Eventually, I do want to tune for E85 with the downpipe and give it the sauce. But for right now, I'm trying to, you know, just keep everything as reliable as possible. It's my grocery getter. So I also got the JDM fog light bezels. I haven't put that one on yet, but I put this one on. What you guys think? The little yellow film. It's just a film because I already have the LED one. I want to see how that looks. So. But yeah, what do you guys think about the setup? What's your setup like? Let me know. You know, how do you guys feel? This is E-Tune, so I'm not dyno, so I couldn't tell you exactly what I'm putting down. But dyno though, big difference from stock. But I mean, you guys tell me your setup. What are you guys running? What fuel? What are your mods? You know, what are your specs? What are your numbers? Has anyone been dyno tuned? I have been thinking about getting Bader tuned over here. I think at Metro in San Diego. Well, you know, when I go visit Cali, San Diego, they have a Metro Performance right there, dyno tune. Just think about checking that out. Maybe get some sauce. Other than that, I mean, I don't think there's too many local dyno tuners in SoCal. If there is, let me know. You know, so when I visit, you feel me, I can get tuned. But yeah, what do you guys think? How you liking my build so far? All you Subi guys. You know, it's pretty dope, huh? So I know we've heard rumors of the STI return. If you're into the Subaru shit like I am, and you're in the community and on the forums and stuff, I have heard that the STI is making a return. I'm letting you guys know now that if the STI does return, I'm going back to stock and I'm trading this motherfucker in, because it'd be sick to have that S-Drive with the fucking transmission and this 2.4 liter. So I'll probably get the same color, honestly, because I like the color red. I mean, unless they come out with some crazy color, I'll just swap back to stock, trade this bitch in, because I have all my stock parts still, and I will throw it all in the new STI. What do you guys think? That'd be sick. If they don't, it is what it is. Eventually, if I keep this car for years, I'm sure I'll eventually STI swap. I'm sure I'll eventually fucking, you know what I'm saying, make it the way I want to make it. So, all the time. But what do you guys think? How you guys feeling about the mods? Let me know. This Enzo rides. I'm out, y'all.